So hello there, it's Attachment Aditya over here, and you are currently living Attachment Studios Core, I hope. And yeah, it was a pretty quick intro, but still. So, anyways, we will be progressing today more over our RPG game, which was for which I'm using the Love 0. 0.9, but I guess I have changed my mind a little bit that. Yes, not most of you have a PC to get this version of Love, and it's pretty hard to get. So let's do something better. Uh, I will make it for both Android and um and Windows. For Windows, I will be using this Love, and for making APK, this one. But it might be a little bit too hard for yeah, you might have got it that how to make two games with one code, and so I have got a good idea for that. I'm not sure if it will work or not, but still we can try that. So over here we just have two files. So wait, what? Okay, wait. Let's open with code directly, and yeah, I've installed Visual Studio Code. Uh, because I had some memory left for I guess 100 GB or something. So yes, I can technically install that. So yeah, the second thing is that this is not installed in my C drive. I have installed it in T drive. So I have a lot of space still. So yeah, now next thing, first step we will close the thing. Second step for making APK and changing or love versions to multiple or any version actually. So here is a quick fix to how to do it. So I guess we have to go to player, and yeah, for sure over here we have something like this. uh, let's go ahead and do something like mark this to global. So yeah, now we have a little less errors because it's just running Lua instead of love love and yeah. So let's go to main.lua over here. So this is the point. Now it's really simple how we will be going to do it. So first of all, let's instead of 150, let's directly convert it into 0 to 1 range. For that, we might need nothing. I guess it's something like I guess half only. Yeah, I hope so. So 0.5, or let it be 5.5. And over here, this is something like 255 by uh sorry, 215 by 255. Actually, we can do it quickly. 215 by 255. That's 0.84. 150. Well, that's good. And 125. 49. Uh, 0.49. 0.8. And something like 0.58. It was. Yes, this was 4. Let's save. Now I have also some extensions that will load this game up, and this directly runs the latest version of Love. So here it is, it's the same color. And over here, instead, we can just write 1. It should not impact much. See? Now, the next step is that for multiple controls. Yeah, it's yeah, bad. Uh, Never mind. For that, we will need a simple command. And yeah, for sure, we have reached to Google. So instead of searching Google Help Me, but I know it's the thing. I guess it's love.get version. Actually, let's try directly. So no, we okay, that's the problem. So never mind. Function love dot load, and yeah, I still do not have any extensions for the snippets for sure. So function love dot load, and over here we will write uh, uh, love version is equals to 0. Actually, do we need that? Actually, I guess we have some options for that in the. Okay, never mind. Never mind that. We can simply do that. And for sure. So we do not need that. Okay, so next thing what I want for my game is that I seriously want a joystick. So here is a demo. Now I also have touchscreen option, so I can just disable it and I mean just disable the mouse and go ahead for the touchscreen ones. So yeah, it's kind of buggy, but it works. So this is made by me officially, and that's why a little buggy. But I've discovered how to make it just a little bit smoother required. Let's go to joystick and open with VS Code so that I can explain you a little bit. So I don't know how long this will be, but I will try to make it pretty short as possible. So yeah, main.lua, and it looks too much, but it actually isn't because because first of all, I've made something called joystick table that includes some more table like pedal, that is wait, called LL. This stuff that we are moving right now, this can be moved from mouse or whatever. Now their position of this pedal that may change, may vary, but the default will be this over here, 125 according to the radius for the scroll area. So if you wonder what is scroll area, then the white portion, uh, semi-transparent one, so out of which the circle that blocks exiting the paddle, that's the scroll area. I've marked that something like that, or what should I say? Now for that, radius is 100 and positions are something like 25 from the. So one fact about the circle that you might not know is that the circle is the only object in love graphics that can that is drawn from the center and not from the corner, the top left corner. Okay, never mind, but that's true. But so over here, what I have done is that 25, uh, the circle is 25 pixels away from the border from each side because just minus 100 from this, 25 is left, and that's all. Next, this one draws the circle. It's not that hard. So local table color, you do not need this. I want transparency and according to according to whatever it is. So it will just get the color table for you. Then this is actually store the all the data as in a table. Then these are the table records. Table record 1, 2, 3, 4. So and the fourth one is half. Why? Because that's the transparent area, and this is the outline that should not be transparent, I hope. So yeah, and then these general circle for functions you might have seen in other videos. You might have. I'm not sure about that, but still, if my sound is not okay, then it might be because of my screen recorder because I've changed that earlier. So yeah, for that reason, but it's not totally related and it's not while editing. Yeah. So now next thing after pedal and then also pedal drawing. This similar function just like this but failed. And this circle is smaller and you can suggest a size for your own. So yeah, that's over you. Now over this, just assume that this is nothing. This is not important. I want that I need the position for the joystick, the how we will move the character. So this function is required for that, and I don't expect anything from it right now, so I will not explain it. Now next thing, and yeah, you can just remove it completely. It's just a simple function. And now function left dot update, or maybe let's just complete the draws everything. So now this is a basic thing for noticing the touch. Here it is, touch table. Uh, the same formula. You can see that in my videos. Actually, my starting videos where I started coding. So this code must be there in it. I can explain it though now. So this table carries locations and data of all touch positions, and it also includes pressure in them. Apparently for some reason there is no pressure in this, so we can just remove that. And here the basic default touch location is this right here. So just same as the circles, the paddles and whatever. Then this is an additional function. I've just used it for nothing, for mouse testing, because Uh, after I use my touch screen of laptop, the mouse apparently just disappears somewhere. And then I took take a lot of time finding the mouse, and then I realized that it's in a corner, and I forget it every time. So yeah, for that, mouse down also available. Apparently, the screen recorder will always record where the mouse is. Now this function, this might look complicated at the starting, but this is the simple distance formula, and this is a part of coordinate and geometry. So if distance, that is square of x plus no x minus no wait, what should I say? So yeah, it's the square root of uh, x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square in common. Or maybe I can just show you that in Google distance formula or something. I guess that's the point. So it will say me the distance. So if the distance is less than 100, that is the radius of the scroll area, then it will allow me to move the joystick, and this is just simply by parallel position to this for sure. And whenever the touch location is exited, so yeah, as usual, so the touch location gets reset, and you do not need to write another line of code for that. So over here, let's see if there is something like distance formula. So yeah, this is the same formula I have used. D is distance, these are the coordinates, and yeah, here's the formula, by the way, you can have a note on it. Now I don't expect to write on it because I guess I will be explaining it individually. Okay, let me explain. Okay, actually it's okay, kind of okay, and I will try to make the module such that you will be able to use it, release it in itch.io as an extension. So joystick extension for touchscreen. So yeah, be sure to check it for sure. So the site is attachmentstudios.itch.io and it might be in top. Yeah, you can also check my other projects if you want. If you want, really, if you want. So let's continue with this. But over here, instead of now doing anything, I will just do simply something like uh, joystick module. Well, I haven't thought of that. Touch joystick maybe. Touch joystick module. Let's declare it as maybe not. Uh, okay, it's defined as global now. So touch joystick. So yeah, I have not written this. This appears automatically whenever you mark something as global. Uh, Additionally, so yeah, touch joystick and over here as well, touch joystick. What am I doing? Now, when I run this should not work because with what? Oh yeah, sorry. We also have to rename that. Touch joystick dot lua, and here it is, a touch joystick. Now what will I do of this? Can I copy that? So yeah, I can. Let's just open that over here, or maybe not. Where am I going? Where's desktop? I see, yes, there is no desktop in it. Okay, better. Where's the file? RPG. Over here, let's paste it. Is it useless? It's useless, completely useless. Here it is, the joystick. Done. Done. I guess there should be no errors now. So joystick, touch joystick dot load. So main dot lua. No, require touch joystick module. Oh yeah, now that's the profit for that function. Love dot load, and over here touch joystick module, and also over here touch joystick dot update instead, and right over here uh, touch joystick dot draw, and I guess over here we will have it. So yeah, that's a thing. Let's save that now 50 times, and then alt L, and if everything is going right, then for sure, how will it index global? Okay, sorry. So here it is. Touch joystick equals this safe main.lua safe ll. See, and we are done. Actually, technically, we are still not done because we still need some functions. So our main functionality is this thing right here. So what does this does? So this is the sensing for the joystick. Well, I've just made tons and tons of variables, and that's not a smart idea. But however, if you can see this, then this will give location of how much that joystick move. This part, and I'm inversing it so that we get the correct number. Well, it's instead you can also do something like paddle position minus scroll area, but this will work as well. That will also work, and this will also work. So joystick dot sensing motion x, joystick dot sensing motion y, and that's the thing we want. So main dot lua over somewhere here, uh, joystick x, or sorry, let's do something like move x and move y, that is this comma this, and instead of y, let's write this somewhere like this, and go ahead here. Okay, so that's done. Let's save, and over here move x plus move y. We should actually go ahead and do controls. So it's the keyboard utility over here, and what we need now is something called mathematics. So we will be using the formulae for triangles to move it. So yeah, function move should also include uh, p dot uh, x equals to p dot x plus something like move x, and if we just duplicate this and change it to y, then that will also get for y. It should be so y, save it. Let's alt L. uh, what is happening? hmm I guess there's some kind of error over here, so let's just save it. And I know what's why that is, like, really, it's really like this for sure. And here it is for sure. Now next thing it should do is that go to controls over here. Let's do something like function k dot joystick. Actually, why even k? Let's do something like j dot move over here. Let's write j equals another thing, and over here touch joystick, and yeah, for sure. mark as global. So yeah, g dot move, and what is in this? P dot x equals p dot x plus uh, move x, and p dot y equals p dot y plus move y. Let's save that. Alt ll, sorry, it's still not moving. Instead, oh yeah, for sure. How can I? That's my often mistake. And oh, I guess that's too quick. Let's also change that by speed for some reason. So move dot x multiplied by speed over here. This should do it, by the way. And over here, let's also write speed. Let's save. And over here, let's write something like 0.5. I guess that's sensitivity or something. So here it is. It's moving. Joystick. Wow, we did a real great job. But yeah, you can see that, I hope. So instead of here, let's change it to oh, sorry. Instead of speed, let's change to sensitivity, I guess. Sensitivity. Let's save, and then we will go for speed. And instead, we can also do something like sensitivity plus star sensitivity. Save, alt ll. It should give an error because for sure we didn't bother to do something like this. So let's wait to something like 0.1, then alt ll. Oh wow, I can see that happening for sure. For sure, I can see that, and that's a good sign. So yeah, I guess that's it for now. And yeah, I can use my mouse as well, but next time we will try to ignore it if uh, there's something like this. And another thing, it will not work if we use something like this because of the things I have coded in that way, and you have also seen. So it needs to be in a specific limit between this circle. The yeah. So yeah, that's it for now, I guess. And yeah, thanks for watching this video of Attachment Studios. I hope this might be useful for you. And sorry if I whatever. That's it.